Welcome, I'm Professor Eric Cornish. In this lesson, I'll share with you 10 steps for compositing images using Adobe Express. Let's get started. The first step in any media project is file management. In most cases, you'll be editing your own files, but for this tutorial, you can use my sample project files. First, download the project files. Then, let's log into express.adobe.com and sign in. Use the plus icon in the top left corner to create a new custom graphic. Enter 1920 pixels for the width and 1080 pixels for the height. Then select the blue Next button to continue to your project. Step 2. Add a background image. On the left navigation panel, locate and select the Photos icon. Then click the Upload Photo button. Then navigate to the Downloaded Images folder and choose and open the sky image. Resize the sky image to fill the entire document area. Step 3. Add a midground image. Let's go back and click on the Photos icon on the left. Then click the Upload Photo button and navigate to the scene image. Let's choose and open that. Then select the photo, and we're going to resize the image to fit the entire document area. Step 4. Remove the background of the midground image. With the scene image still selected, on the right side navigation panel under Edit Image, click the Remove Background button. Next, we need to restore the image. We're going to use the Restore button under Customize to paint on the image. So we're going to increase our brush size to paint on all the areas that we wish to keep except for the sky area. As we paint, we can increase the brush size as needed. Try zooming in and resizing your brush to get those small little details around the trees and the buildings. When complete, select the check mark at the top right in the Edit Cutout panel. Step 5. Add the foreground image. On the left, select Photos, Upload Photo. Let's open the subject image. Resize that image to fill the document area so the top and bottom of the image extend beyond the edges. Slightly move the image to the left so that the book bag goes beyond the left edge. Step 6. Remove the background of the foreground image. With the subject still selected, click the Remove Background button on the right. Then resize the image as needed. Step 7. Color correct your images as needed. To keep the color of the images consistent, we're going to use the Effects panel and Enhancements to bring the contrast down, bring the brightness up to 50, and then choose the warmth and bring that up to 8. To keep colors consistent, for the subject, we're going to modify the contrast settings and the warmth settings for this image. Step 8. Add the blur effect. To add an optional blur to our scene, we're going to click on the sky image and then go under Effects and click on Blur. Bring that value down to 1, then select the building image, click on Blur, and bring that value down to 1. Step 9. Add text to your layout. To add text to our scene, we're going to navigate to the left side and click on Text, then scroll down to the Phrases section where it says You've Got This. If we wanted to add our own text, there's an Add Your Own Text button, but we're going to use this preset text to resize and then go to the right hand editing text section and uncheck outline, and then look at the shadow options, and we're going to change the angle of our shadow to -150. This is going to move the shadow directly below our text. To increase the legibility and readability of our text, we're going to select the midground image, and under enhancements, we're going to bring the brightness down so that we can increase the contrast between the background and the text. Now, select the text element. Let's position the text layer behind the subject's shoulder. To do this, we can use the options bar in the top right of the screen to reorder this text element down in the layer stacking order. We can also use the layer stack at the bottom right to manually move the layer by clicking and dragging the text layer. Step 10. Download and share your document. To download a copy of this file, click Download at the top right of the interface. We can choose PNG, JPEG, or PDF. For this purpose, we'll select PNG. Next, click the Start Download button. Then click on Solid Color PNG. Let's name our file. Choose the location in which we want to save this file. Then we press Save. To share this project for review over the web, click the blue Share button in the top right corner, then Publish. This allows you to share your work digitally via a link, email, or social media. To test this link, copy it, get a new tab in your web browser, paste the link in your URL section, press Enter or Return. And you're done. Congratulations! You finished 10 steps for compositing an image with Adobe Express.